Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. The first thing we need is shaving cream of your favorite food coloring. I just chose this up at the store. This is a pink icing color. It's called Rosa Color Paragastino. And yeah, you can use any container you want. You can choose this little cute jar I picked up at Mason's, and this little cute just small container to put the fluffy slime in. It doesn't really matter. Of course, you need a big bowl to mix everything in. Fork and spoon. Last time I made this fluffy slime and try to see what worked better, the food coloring got in because that's what I used. Just scoop the food coloring in, and any glue that contains what's this called, an FDA, so it could be more peeling, I guess, for it. The first thing you need is this big bowl. You're going to be wanting to pour some glue out and putting it in here. Oh, and you also needed borax. Let's just pour in the glue. So now what you need is this shaving cream. You need a lot of shaving cream for the nice fluffy texture, so you can poke it around. So yeah, now let's put in the shaving cream.
So you gotta, I think you gotta open this up,
So I just got some shaving cream there, and I think it needs a little bit glue, so we're gonna put more glue in it. Now let's mix it up. So now let's get some food coloring out of this, and then we'll put it back in the stuff. The color I chose was pink. Now let's put it in. I'm really scared. I got it in. Now let's mix it up. So I want to add more glue because I want it really fluffy. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Stop it. Drip, 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 drip. Okay, we're done putting the glue in. Now let's mix it again. To make it really fluffy and stuff, we need borax. So now we're gonna put our borax in the bowl. Now that we got it in the bowl, we're gonna add some water. This is our water right here, and now we're just gonna pour it in. So now, we got it mixed up, the borax and the water. So now we're gonna pour a bit of the borax and water in here, and let's see what happens. Now let it sit for about a few minutes. It doesn't really matter how long you let it sit for. Just let it sit for at least a few minutes. Ooh, it's getting a bit squishy because it will rise a bit. So you just want to let it rise a bit. So we're just gonna leave it here for a few minutes and clean up, and then we'll get back to you. Okay, we left it for about like a minute or two, and we just like played around with it, I guess, like with the fork, because you see the lines. So we're gonna just see if it's really like a fluffy slime, because this is a tutorial on how to make fluffy slime. So let's just see. Like, seriously, let's just see it.
Pop, pop, pop. Is it really fluffy though? It's like the best thing of people's lives. Like, really, it is. I'm so grateful to have this thing in life. This is life. Ooh, it's like a really nice. It's like a really great. Ooh, it's like really foamy. Like, you want to just like, oh my gosh, oh, that one just like, oh wow. That was just like a skin. A layer of like skin, I guess. What the heck? Let's see if we can peel like the skin. Ooh, I got that. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, let's see this one. Let's pop it open. Ooh, okay, that one's good. We can just like pull it out. Pull the other one out. Like, that's so sick. Oh, it's so sick. It's so sick. It's really sick.
Guys, we're gonna see if we can put this in the jar, because this jar, it's really cute, and I want to see if it can fit in this. But I think this one is a bit too big for this jar, but let's just see. So let's put it in. We got it in like the jar, and this is how much we have left. Like, seriously, that is a ton left. It's like really cute. Like, the grossest part about it, like, you can peel the skin. Like, ew, it's like me peeling off a gumball or like a pig. It's like so weird. Like, see, look, I got it like that, and then I just peel it. See? It's really cute though. Yeah? 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 Oh my gosh. When you put like your thumb in, it gets stuck. Woo! So the only question now is, how do I take this out of this? Like, seriously, how do I take this out of this beautiful jar? Whoa, oh, okay. It looks like it was about to explode. Ugh, like, really. But who in the world cares? Let's just try to take it out. A little bit of help.
Okay, right there. It's kind of hard though. Oh. It just got dirty. Oh, who in the world like cares about it? We got it. It's like a little cute pop, 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 pop.
So the only question now is, can we put it back in the jar? Really? And compare this with this. Like, really? This is how much we have left. This is what was in the jar. And look at this. Just put it in the jar now, because I'm really bored.
We got it in the jar, but we need to like push it more down that way. We need to. Like, this is a must have to do. Because like, really? I was like, I really must have to do. Like, really? Look at this. Oops. I think we can put a little bit more. This much. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. So adorable. The only question is, how are we supposed to take this thing out?
Okay, now let's try to get this out, because after we get this out, it's time for the worst thing ever. So say goodbye to you guys.